Good morning, everybody. We're in Rabun County, Georgia. We're doing the Waterfall Trail, the Black Rock Waterfall Trail. It's a very short and sweet trail. We wanna be walking for probably half an hour, a little bit over half an hour. So it is a very, like probably a mile or 2 miles drive on loose gravel. So make sure you have good traction in your car if you're coming in. Otherwise, your car may slip. So just a word of caution out there. So yeah, we're gonna use all travels because this area here there's a lot of trails around the lake. And we're gonna walk a little bit to get there. So once we get there, I'm gonna get back to you. I need to just get my hands on my map and see where I'm going. See you guys later. So he's heading back into the road again, and then I think I'm gonna take a entrance somewhere in the woods into the trail. Other than that, probably if that's not the case, then somebody needs to update the old trails map, because this kind of there's a little bit of increase here walking. So I think walking sticks are recommended. This is the state of the road here. It's a little bit of loose gravel all over. So again, be cautious. The sides are also a little bit, there's like a water stream coming down. Yeah, I think this is the place. Let me see. I'm gonna check the map again. Catch you later. Yeah, I was right. We are in the right way. Again, you have walking sticks. Highly recommended. I think this is James Edmonds Trail, West Fork. I think this is bear country this time of the year. I don't know if the mama bears are out there with their cubs, so keep your eyes and ears in alert. Hey, look at these plants, it's so pretty. Take a picture. Yeah, let's take a picture of this one. There you go. Alright, so yeah, you can see there's signs that spring is already in here. Finally came in a few weeks ago. By the time you're watching this, there have been a few videos that I don't have any shorts, and that's on purpose because I decided to kind of increase the amount of videos by just in one trip, because right now I'm trying to save as much as possible for any big trip, potential big trip. I don't want to jinx it, so I'm trying to reduce my long travels. I don't travel as often, just to make sure I save that time and gas money and maintenance money for a bigger trip. What trip that is still a secret, so everything goes fine. I'm just gonna keep it on the wraps. All right. Yep, this is I had a lot of water. All of rivers, they end up in that lake behind those trees. You cannot see it well, but yeah. Also, I wanted to mention that this place we visited before. I think up in the mountains. That was a video we did after we visited Fox Fire Museum, which was one of my One of the first videos I saw on the channel that started blowing up in terms of views and engagement, and I appreciate everybody that watched those. But yeah, this is close to that. This is Black Rock. I think it's nearby one of these mountains, Black Rock Mountain, somewhere in here. A poor location sense, a sense of for location sense, and yeah, so somewhere around here, Black Rock Mountain, and we're within Black Rock Mountain State Park. So yeah, as I said, it's 0.5 miles, a little bit steep in places, but it is doable because it's a short hike. And once we get there, that's where I parked down there, somewhere around there. You can see my vehicle from here. Alright. Yeah, we're close to Rabun County, so there's Toccoa Falls. There's a lot of places to visit here. You have like a week or 2 weeks. You can camp around here. Have 2 weeks to move around. Please do so. There's a lot of places you can visit around here. Very challenging as well. Besides Black Rock Mountain, Foxfire Museum, I also visited. There was there was a Del Woman. That's DEL. War Woman area, which you can hike all the way up to a mountain. It totally escapes me the name of that mountain, but I know the area where I parked. So yeah, that is also that. There's Toccoa Falls State Park, which I visited 5 years ago, 6 years ago. Sorry. And yeah, it's so many things, so many places you can visit here. And this is the right place that you can buy the state park annual pass, that basically you can save a lot of money just visiting, paying for entrance and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, that's the probably 4 places around here that you can visit. And it's very lots of places to see here. There's a Walmart nearby too, so if you're out of resources halfway in your visit, if you're gonna stay for a long time, it's a nice place to stop and resupply. Alright, with that all being said, I'm gonna stay quiet until I find out this waterfall, because I was told it was here. The map says it's here, but the trail itself is a little bit challenging, more challenging than I was expecting. Okay, I will stay quiet. I'm gonna cut off on the next part. Hopefully we get to the waterfall. Stay tuned. Very, very nice. So I was told there's a tree with claw marks on the right side of this stream here. Okay, there's a waterfall here. I think it's the spot. It's a few of old tree growth here. Interesting, very interesting. Okay, this is the spot, I guess. Yep, I see it from here. Yep. So, yeah, claw marks. So there was a tree, allegedly, last fall. A bear made some marks here, trying to mark territory, but it was like around fall. But that tree, those marks are faded now. So that makes it very old claw marks. Still cannot see it. Oh, I think this is it. Yep. Yeah, I see the marking. And here we are. These are the waterfalls. We made it, folks. We made it. Short, a little bit moderately challenging, but it's good. I needed this. Nice. There you go. I wanted to see this so bad. Oh, water. It looks so nice. Just to plunge in. During summertime, that's priceless. But not right now. It's a little bit cold for my liking. But I would not mind plunging myself in there. Anyway, that's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels, and see you guys in the next adventure. Have a good one. There's a little bit of holes in here. All over this hill. I don't think they're fork holes because there's water flowing out of them. There's a lot of springs popping out of this hill, maybe. I don't know. Alright, safe travel, so bye. Just something I found out late. Instead of going up in the road over there, before you get into this bridge, you can just make a detour, and it saves you a lot of steep incline, and we're gonna get straight into the trail. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go head out, have some lunch before my long drive back home. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Peace.